Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahzeb Ali Sheikh, Director, Innovative College of Professional Studies. Today we are going to discuss about ProQual NVQ Level 6 Diploma in Construction Site Management. So ICPS is offering this qualification as an approved satellite center for the ProQual qualifications. Basically a level 6 qualification that is equivalent to honors degree, that is equivalent to civil engineering degree. So the qualification that is vocational qualification, that is a work-based qualification that is going to improve knowledge, skills in order to better manage, plan and execute the workplace, in order to manage the difficult or the complex workplaces while better managing the quality, safety and the activities at the workplace. So the qualification is designed for the individuals who have already experience for the civil or the construction industry. So definitely it is going to add the value to their career, and also it is going to improve their educational capacity so that they can apply for the better options in the construction industry as a civil engineer. So the qualification is a vocational qualification, is a work-based qualification. It doesn't needs any sort of written examination. So what the learners needs to do, they just have to complete their workbook, evidences and the CPDs in order to complete this qualification. As the qualification consists of 20 mandatory units, so the learners have to complete the workbook. Workbook is a blank Word document that you have to download from the e-portal, and you have to complete that. But you have to complete the workbook with the help of the assessment criteria. But in order to satisfy the assessment criteria, the learners must have to attach the supportive evidence. Supportive evidence may be any document, the document that is being used by the professional at their workplaces. Like it may be the planning document, it may be inspection document, it may be the trainings, it may be meetings or whatsoever the civil engineer is doing currently at his workplace in order to complete his job responsibilities. He may add it as an evidence, but keep in mind the evidence must be according to the assessment criteria. So he or she must have to assure that the evidence and the workbook is according to the assessment criteria, and evidence is properly narrated, properly explained in the workbook in order to complete the assessment criteria. And being assessor, me or the different persons have to assess that whether you have learned the things according to the expectations of the awarding body or not. If it is done accordingly, then you can move towards the unit number 2, 3 and up to the unit number 20. So the last one is CPD. So that is the professional development. You have to attach an evidence of the CPD, that how you're going to improve your knowledge, ability, experience related to the civil engineering. So if I'm talking about the time period, the qualification can be easily completed in 9 to 12 months, because the qualification consists of total qualification time that is about 17-20 hours, and if you're talking about the credits, that is about 171 credits. So this is a long qualification, so that's why it is taking too much time because of 20 mandatory units. So we have to work on it for about an year. So in this way we can complete level 6 diploma, which is equivalent to civil engineering degree. So if you're talking about the progression, this will lead to the level 7 diploma, and level 7 diploma, as we all know, that this is a part of the master's degree. So if you have already completed civil engineering degree from the before of your job or during your job, so you can also apply for the level 7 diploma. Then you can get the top up to the civil engineering or to the construction site management. So this is a British qualification, that is NVQ qualification, national vocational qualification. So this is all acceptable all around the globe. This is Ofqual regulated qualification, this is ARCOF accredited, and this is West approved qualification. Most importantly, you can also get the equivalency from the British Safety Council and also from the Saudi Engineering Council in order to get a comma, or in order to get the value over there in Saudi and in different Arab countries, so that you can get the benefit of this qualification. So this was all from my side regarding the information of the ProQual NVQ Level 6 Diploma in Construction Site Management. For more information and registration, you can please contact us on the mentioned number. Emails, websites and office address is also mentioned there, so you can visit us or contact us. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.